darkened with time, but this was called the Golden Mosque. And on that railing that we see, there was a Persian invader, Nadir Shah, who in 1739 came to India, and he wanted to buy some wheat and rice, but he was not happy with the price that he was getting from the market. So he told his army to just kill everybody and take whatever they could. So around 30,000 people were murdered in one single day, and they basically just pillaged the whole market of the whole Delhi. They killed everybody, took whatever they could, and to stop the killing, when the Hindu emperor could not fight back because Nadir Shah was more strong, so he gave him the Kohinoor diamond. Like in India, there used to be a Kohinoor diamond, which was 186 carats, and then when the British, Queen Victoria declared herself to be the Empress of India, she took it back. So it is like this big shape of a hen's egg, and then he took that, and he took the best poets, the best chiselers, best carpenters, the best horses, the best elephants. Like he took everything that he could that he liked and went back to Persia. So that happened in that mosque. And on our left, there's a fountain place. On your left, these are 3 disciples of the Guru who were murdered here. Like these 3 people, they asked Aurangzeb, why did you kill our Guru? So one was burnt alive, the second one was put in boiling water, and the third one was sawn in half. और वे आपने पेंटिंग के सामने से नहीं लिया, अगली बार से वहाँ से.
So a lot of killing during those times.
A lot of killing. And Old Delhi is famous for street food. Haldiram is a very popular food. Hygienic salads and all you can find in Haldiram. And the blue board with yellow letters is Khanse Wala. That's the oldest sweet shop in the whole of Delhi, established in 1790.
Oh, this is one of the buildings.
Come out very beautiful there. Either town.
I see cow.
Yeah, these are bulls, and these are again they pull